today I am finally doing a new color. I'm going to attempt to dye my hair silver. So I'm going to be using Sterling by Arctic Fox. I guess let's just go for it. It's exciting to try something new. It's looking a little green. So my hair was definitely green. So I pulled up the color wheel and figured out that I needed to put some pink over the light green to cancel it out. So my hair is purple. And don't get me wrong, I actually really like it. I love the color, but obviously it's not what I was going for. So today I'm going to be doing a little mixture for my hair color. I received these products from Overtone, their pastel pink coloring conditioner and the neon yellow coloring conditioner. And the idea is that if you mix a little bit of the yellow with the pink, it'll make your pink more vibrant. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, I've reached a color that I'm really happy with. I have a feeling I'm going to love this color. Well, here's how it turned out. I think it's so pretty. I feel like it's still pretty similar to their regular pastel pink, but adding the neon yellow just gave it like a little punch, you know, like a brightness. Today I think I'm gonna try to get like a silvery blue color. I am gonna be using Poseidon by Arctic Fox, and I'm gonna mix it with some basic white conditioner to get it nice and light. So here's how my hair turned out. It's just such a cute pastel blue. I am obsessed with it. They sent me a silver. I'm curious to see if this will finally give me silver hair. Okay, so I've actually been adding quite a bit of conditioner and it still looks pretty dark. So far, so good. The dye is in. I'm gonna leave it for about 30 minutes, then rinse it, and we'll see how it turns out. Guys, I finally did it. My hair is silver. How pretty is this? Or light gray, whatever you want to call it. But I'm really, really happy with it. Here are how big my roots are. It's been 7, almost 8 weeks now. So let's fix that. I am using this lightener, 30 volume developer, because my hair is very, very dark. So today I'm going to be doing two things. The first thing is I need a haircut. I definitely need to trim my hair. And then I'm going to finally dye my hair. Alright, I think I'm happy with where I'm at. Okay, so for today's color, I am going to be using Virgin Pink by Arctic Fox. I'm going to be diluting it with some white conditioner, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of Cosmic Sunshine, also by Arctic Fox. Oh my God. Well guys, here's how my hair looks. I definitely feel like it looks a little bit warmer than if I were to just do like a diluted Virgin Pink. Yeah, I really like it. I'm just glad to be back to pink. I missed it so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!